Hey Karina over at R Flores Roofing. This is Chris with J3 Innovation. Appreciate you guys taking interest in our offer and giving us the ability to show you just what we do here. And I'm sure you guys are pretty busy, so I'm not going to take up too much of your time. So let's go ahead and jump into it. When you are trying to rank a site and make it beneficial to your business, there are three main factors that go into play, and they are content, backlinks, and citations. And as you can see, we're on your homepage of your website at rfloresroofing.com. And the first thing that I see is that you guys do not have your phone number clickable. I suggest making that clickable, and that's for navigational and accessibility purposes for your website. The more accessible and navigatable your site is to the potential client or customer that is visiting, the more Google's going to reward you Google points for that. And that's what we want. So it will help you out in your ranking and your authority as well. So I would suggest that you guys make that clickable. I see that you do have a contact form all the way down here at the bottom. There we are. And that is awesome. We implement that on each and every site as well. And that's also for accessibility purposes. But one thing I do see is that you guys need to add more content and you need to add on-site SEO. And on-site SEO is basically targeting top buyer intent keywords on your site itself. The reason for that is the more keywords that you're targeting, the more content that you have, is going to help your authority better. And having those keywords on your site helps Google index them a lot quicker. So it's going to be able to help you rank and give you more authority quicker than it would for them to have to search through offsite SEO, just basically backlinks that you're sending back to your site. So it actually helps you rank as well. And you should do this on your service pages as well. And content being king in Google's eyes, we like to have as much content as possible, and we like to beat out the top competitors. So we like to go and see how much content count that they have, especially if it's quality and authoritative content. You want to beat those guys out. You don't want to be even with them. You don't want to be below them. You want to crush them, because the more content that you have, the better it's going to be for you. Google loves to see content, so they like to read everything about you. So the more you have and the more keywords you're targeting on your site, it's going to make that page and your site as well more beneficial. It's going to draw in more traffic, and it's going to help rank and give you more authority a lot quicker. So speaking on that, let's hop on over here. As you can see, this is the search page of Google. Roofing contractors Greensboro, NC is one of your top buyer intent keywords. It's getting about 150 searches a month, so that's one keyword that you guys definitely need to be shooting for. Down here is the map pack, and this where your citations go. We'll talk about that in just a second, but I want to take you here. This is the organic section. This is where your citations, your backlinks, and your content all goes into play. And this is the long-term game right here. This is where your leads will constantly start to come in over the long haul, and it will continue to be beneficial to you the higher you get. So you want to be on this first page of Google, because this is where the most traffic comes in, especially up here in the top 3 rankings. And basically this is a directory. So these guys right here is your number 1 top competitor ranking organically. So let's check them out. And as you can see, Skywalker Roofing, now these guys have all their information, all their services listing. It might be something that you guys want to do as well. If you have, if you want to narrow it down and be more directive, you can do it like this. But what I want to show you is that these guys have their phone number clickable as well. And also, as you can see, how they are targeting keywords here. As you can see, these guys have a ton of content. And as you can see, they're also targeting more keywords as they list all their services as well. So this is something that I suggest you guys do. You don't have to do it the exact same, but this is a very good way to make your homepage rank and be super strong and more beneficial. And all your other service pages will rank individually as well. And that will all come back together as a group and make your site more beneficial and strengthen it and helping your ranking as well. As you can see, these guys have a ton of keywords and a ton of content. So you'd want to beat these guys out in your content. And I use this tool called Word Counter to find that out. And let's see which one. Yes, this is them. Skywalker. As you can see, they have 3,901. So they have over 3,000. You guys want to beat them out. So you want to add about 4,100 to 4,300 words of content and have top quality content and authoritative content. So you can start beating them out in that factor and add the keywords as well. So let's go over here and look at your backlinks and your metrics. This is a tool I use called RFs, and it shows the behind the scenes how powerful it is. As you can see, you guys have a little trust but no power. You only have 6 websites sending back 11 backlinks, and you only have 3 of them that's giving you actual power, but they're not strong enough to actually show up on RF's meters. So you have 66 organic keywords, and it's only bringing you 47 searches a month, which is totaling $431 of traffic value, which is not bad. But targeting the correct keywords, you're going to get more traffic and it's going to bring you more value. So you want to target the more keywords. And let's go look at your competitors. As you can see, we're on Skywalker Roofing at their metrics. As you can see, these guys are pretty powerful. They only have 30 sites sending back 67 backlinks, which only 16 of them is actually bringing them to power. But they have 132 organic keywords, and they are targeting the top buyer intent keywords, which is bringing them over 414 searches a month, which is totaling in $4,000 of value. See, this is what you guys could have if we target correct keywords and give you more authoritative backlinks. Not all backlinks are created equal, so you want to have more than these guys and actually have more quality backlinks and quality sites sending those backlinks to you. So what we do is a method called copycat. We take the quality websites and links that they are getting, implement them to yours, and not only that, we continue to do SEO over time and send you more quality backlinks. So we're beating these guys out on the referring domains and backlinks, and it's going to shoot you guys above them and actually give your site more power and authority. So you'll be beating them in content and backlinks, and that's what you want to do with that. So let's go ahead and hop back on over here and show you the last but not least, the citations. And as you can see, this is the map pack right here. Again, this is where your citations go, and this is your Google My Business listing area. You guys are on the second page of the listing as well. So what a citation is, just a name, address, and your phone number. You put those into as many directories as you can, and it's going to start boosting your listing as well. So you go to your listing and you also SEO that and put authoritative content and keywords on there as well. And that's going to also help your ranking in your local map listing. And you want to be in the top 3. So also what we do is copycat method again. We go to the top competitor. We take their citations that they have, which we use this tool right here called White Spark. We use the copycat method with White Spark. Take what they have, the citations that they have, implement them to your business listing as well. And then you want to add at least to 1 or 2 more packs of citations to really crush these guys out. And those are the main 3 factors that you guys want to target. And all those factors will go into play and help make your site more beneficial and actually get you the traffic and potential clients that you want. And I hope this wasn't too much information for you guys. I hope I didn't take up too much of your time. And if you like what you see and you want to get in touch with me, here's my information right here, my website, my email, and my phone number. And if you guys will, please just leave a little feedback on this video, just letting us know if the information we sent was valuable to you. I appreciate your time and have a blessed and wonderful day.